Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. I know the 4 stands for the 4th month, which is April. 16 stands for the 16th day of the 4th month, and 20 is the year 2020. Usually on Thursdays, we go to PE, so I want you to think, what can I do to get some exercise today? What is something that I can do inside or outside that I can get some of my wiggles out? And think about what you've practiced in PE. Okay, my question to you is, what month comes before the 6th month? Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June. June is the 6th month, so what comes before it? May. Excellent job. Okay, let's go ahead and be meteorologists. I want you right now, look out your window, and I want you to use your clues just like meteorologists do, and I want you to predict what kind of weather we're going to have today. So when I look outside, I see some clouds, but not a whole ton, and I see more sun than clouds. I may not see as many shadows or as dark shadows as I usually do, but I think today is going to be more sunny than cloudy. So I'm going to go ahead on my tally chart and mark another sunny day. Now, I want you to take a look at our tally chart, and today your only question is, tell somebody that's sitting near you, what do you notice about our tally chart? There are all kinds of things that you could notice. And all I'm wanting you to do is practice observing or looking carefully at a chart, because as you get older, you're going to have to do that. You're going to have to look very closely at a chart. So, great job. Now, let's take a look. We said today is Thursday. So, if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? And if today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Okay, now, here's my 2 questions. I want to know, how many days are in 1 week? Think about our song. How many days are in 1 week? Okay, you should have come up with 7 because you should have said Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. Now, I want you to look at my next question. It says, how many days are in this month? Remember, we said this month is April. So think about our knuckle trick. Line your knuckles up. How many days are in this month? I hope you came up with 30, because if you lined your knuckles up, January, February, March, April, and in the valley or in the low part, we know that's a lower numbered month, which is 30. Okay, let's take a look. Count with me on how many days we've been learning together in 1st grade. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141. 141 days we have been learning together. So I need your help. How should I write this in an addition sentence? How am I going to write 141 days in an addition sentence? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look and you're going to say, oh, Miss Metz, that's easy. There are 100 little bitty blocks glued together. That's exactly right. There are 100 little bitty blocks. How many blocks do we have here? You got it. 40. Oh, Miss Metz is struggling right upside down. And then how many blocks do we have here? 1. Excellent job. So your addition sentence should say 100 plus 40 plus 1 equals 141. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to tell me what digits do I need to write to make 141? Yep, you should have said a 1. And then you should have said a 4. And then you should have said a 1. 1, 4, 1 is the same thing as 141. Now, look carefully. Is 141 odd or even? That is right. It is an odd number because 1 is in the ones place, and we know 1 is an odd number. Now, I am ready for you to tell 2 sets of time. Are you ready? Okay, here is my first time. Look carefully at my clock, and I want you to tell me, what time does my clock say? Okay, you're going to look in between the 12 and the 1, and we always look back. So I know this is 12, and my minute hand is 30. So what time does my clock say? 12:30. Good job. All right, let's try one more. Okay, here we go. It's trying to trick you, so don't get fooled. Okay, it looks like it's on the 4, but we know the clock is trying to trick you, because if it really is on 4, if that hour hand is on 4, it's got to go all the way to the 5. Did it go anywhere? Nope. So it's really not on the 4. What's it on? The 3. So this hour is 3, and what is the minute? 45. So it's 3:45. Great job. Now let's practice with our coins. So the first thing that I want you to do is take a look at this coin, and I want you to tell me, how much is this coin worth? And also tell somebody what its name is. This coin is worth 5 cents, and it's a nickel. All right, let's take a look at this coin. Take a look at it. Tell me, how much is it worth? And what its name is. It's 10 cents, and it is worth, or it is a dime. Good job. Okay, check this one out. How much is it worth? 1 cent, good. And what's it called? A penny. Good job. All right, last one. What is this coin worth? How much is it worth? 25 cents. And what's it called? A quarter. Man, y'all are getting so good at this.